pause for a moment. Did you know that people today are earning an income online, building their stores, marketing their products, and working with clients from different countries while you are still saying, "I'll start when I'm ready"? Listen to me carefully. The problem isn't that opportunities don't exist. The problem is that opportunities are right in front of you, but you haven't learned how to take advantage of them yet. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you, Victory with Ash community. I hope you are always doing well. In this new video titled, Why Not Owning a Digital Skill is the Most Expensive Mistake You Pay for Today, brought to you by Victory with Ash, an educational platform. In a world changing every day, not having a skill might be the most expensive price you pay without even realizing it. The real question now isn't whether you can succeed in the digital world, but whether you will learn the skill that prepares you when your opportunity comes. Those who learn today lead tomorrow. Champions of the Victory with Ash community, I want you to stop for a moment and ask yourself just one question. What if the skill you need to change your future is right in front of you now, but you haven't learned it yet? What if the difference between someone who waits for opportunities and someone who creates them isn't luck, but action? What if the difference is knowledge? We live in an era where opportunities are no longer confined to a traditional job, an office, a city, or even a country. The world is now connected through the internet. A customer who used to have to go to a physical store to buy a product can now buy it using just their phone. A company that used to need massive financial resources to reach a wider audience can now reach thousands or millions of people across the world online. And a person who used to believe that starting a business requires huge capital can now start right from their device, using a skill they possess and an idea they believe in. But there is one problem: opportunities exist, but not everyone knows how to take advantage of them. This is where Learning Through Victory with Ash comes in, the free educational platform launching very soon, God willing, this month. What is the value of this platform? It will give you the opportunity to learn, grow, and develop your skills in digital marketing. Don't learn just because you want a certificate. Learn because you want real competence and capability. When we talk about professional development in digital marketing and e-commerce on Victory with Ash, we aren't talking about a set of videos you watch and forget. We are talking about actionable skills you can use, develop, and transform into a project, a service, or a lasting source of income. A certificate alone doesn't create success. Many of us hold certificates without achieving success, but a skill you know how to use can completely change your trajectory. Victory with Ash will be the bridge leading you toward multiple destinations. Imagine starting your training on the platform without knowing how to choose a suitable product for your business, and then learning how to conduct market research, understand customer demand, analyze competitors, identify your target audience, build attractive offers, create a professional online store, craft engaging content, reach an audience, and convert viewers into paying customers. This is the key outcome everyone seeks. On Victory with Ash, you don't just absorb information, you build capacity and competence. Imagine what you can do after learning on Victory with Ash. Imagine finding a product with real demand. Instead of saying, "I don't know how to start," you now know exactly what to do. You analyze the market, research competitors, define your target audience, build your online store or website, design professional product pages, create relevant content, and test the market. You might succeed on the first attempt, or you might not, and that is completely normal. The difference is that you won't stop at the first outcome. You will ask, why didn't the ad succeed? Why didn't the customer buy? Was the issue with the product, the pricing, the offer, the page presentation, or the target audience? This is where a professional mindset begins. A professional does not view failure as the end, but as data and a lesson learned, avoiding past mistakes to build a sustainable business. You might have had a business idea for years, telling yourself, "I'll start when I have capital, when I find the right partner, or when the time is perfect." But the truth is, the perfect time never arrives. All you need is to start building the knowledge and skills that make you ready when opportunity strikes, and that is what Victory with Ash provides. After learning e-commerce, you can build an online store selling physical or digital products, build brands, and scale a small project into a larger enterprise. Most importantly, you won't just be someone buying and selling, you will be someone who understands how the market works. Even if you don't have a product, that's not a problem. You don't need your own product to leverage digital marketing skills. Consider Amazon. When it launched, it didn't own its products, yet it grew into a global company. That is the difference between a professional and an ordinary individual. You can use your knowledge to work with existing business owners. Thousands of businesses have products and services but need someone who knows how to reach customers. That's where your skills shine, specializing in ad management, content creation, or social media management. You shift from someone seeking an opportunity to someone offering valuable expertise others need. You can work with clients worldwide, not just locally. In the past, working with an overseas company was complex, but the internet has brought the world closer. Success isn't guaranteed. It requires skill, discipline, experience, and patience. But the door is now open. The question is, will you step through? Don't just think about selling a product. Think about building a brand, an identity people recognize, remember, and trust. The expertise you gain on Victory with Ash can be transformed into courses, ebooks, practical guides, tools, or digital services. Your knowledge itself becomes a core asset of your business. Listen carefully. Do not enter this program with a get-rich-quick mindset. That is not how lasting success is built. Approach it with a growth mindset. I want to learn, apply, understand, test, make mistakes, learn from them, and improve with every experience. True success doesn't happen overnight. It is built through iteration, correcting mistakes, and developing capabilities you once didn't know how to begin. Don't wait until you feel ready. Some people wait for the right moment, while others prepare themselves until they are ready. Don't wait to know everything before taking action. Start learning, applying, and improving. Don't say, I don't understand marketing, or I'm not built to be a marketer. If you don't know e-commerce, learn it. Victory with Ash is designed to teach you step by step. You don't need to see the whole staircase to take the first step. Invest in yourself, apply what you learn, and start even if it's from scratch. This is the mindset we aim to build at Victory with Ash. We are not here just to give you information, but to help you build the mindset and skills to navigate the digital world with confidence. The choice is yours. You can continue watching others build their businesses and keep saying, I'll start one day, or you can say, enough waiting. It's time to learn, apply, build skills, and turn knowledge into action. Start today with one piece of information, master a skill, put it into practice, and get your first result. The digital world moves fast, and opportunities don't stop, but an opportunity alone isn't enough. You must be prepared when it arrives. Learn, develop, acquire skills, execute, test, fail if necessary, and try again. True leaders don't wait for someone else to build their future. They build themselves and shape their own destiny. Learn today, apply tomorrow, and build your future starting now. Victory with Ash will soon be ready to launch this free learning journey toward mastering digital marketing. See you on the Victory with Ash platform very soon. I hope you found this video valuable. See you in upcoming videos. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.